Standard 8, chapter number 6, squares and square roots. Now our next topic is finding square root by division method. Okay. So now this is very simple method. This method is useful for when you find the square root of very large number, because for a large number the prime factorization method is very long and difficult and is inconvenient. Okay, but by this method you can solve any number and find the square root. Okay, now here we take some examples. Suppose first example is 7 to 9. Okay, step by step always remember that 7 to 9. Okay, here we can also write 12, 9, 6. Okay, your first step is from unit place make a pair of two group. One pair, left is your second. Okay, here there are three numbers, so two numbers is for pair and one is left for unpair. Okay, for this from unit place start with a pair, first pair and second pair. Here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 digits, so you can find both are paired. But if you have a 3 digit, so last 2 digit is for pair and third digit is single. Okay, simple. Now we have number here. 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9. Okay, up to dash. First of all, this is 7. 7 is between 4 and 9. So 9 is bigger than 7. So start with 4. Because 9 is bigger than 7. Clear? So now start with 4. So now start with 4. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. Minus 7 minus 4 is 3. Clear? You can see here either 12. 12 is between 9 and 16. 12 is between 9 and 16. But 16 is bigger than 12. So we start with 9. So 3 3s are 9. Clear? Now next pair is shifted to down, 29. Combine. Okay, combined number will be shifted to downward. So now combined number is 96, downward. Clear? Understand? Now next step is, here is 2, so add again. 2 plus 2 is 4. Here is 3, add again. 3 plus 3 is 6. Okay, double, make it double. Double of 2 is 4, double of 3 is 6. Simple. Now next digit. If you put here 1, so it becomes 41. So multiply by, here we put 1, so multiply by 1. If you put 2, so multiply by 2. If you put 3, multiply by 3. Okay, if you put 4, so multiply by 4. Understand? This number and multiplication number will be same. 4 besides number is same. 2 2 3 3 4 4. where you got 329. Now you can see here, if you put 1, 41 goes 41. If you put 2, so multiply by 2, 2 2 4, 2 4 8. Not 3 3 9, 3 4 12. Again is 129. When you got 329, this is your answer. Okay, now again 4 4 16. 4 4 16 and 1 17. Okay, this is not possible. 176. Okay. Now put 5. So 45 multiplied by 5. Put 6. 46. Put 7. Okay. But one thing, divisibility rule. Use divisibility rule. Here last digit is 9. So what you find? 7 7s are 49. Understand what you are saying? Last digit is 9. So use divisibility rule. Okay? Because 5 5s are 25. Last digit is 5. 6 6 are 36. Last digit is 6. But when you multiply 47 multiplied by 7, 7 7s are 49. 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 4 is 32. Now you get 329. Okay. So now your number is 47. 7s are 329. Okay, you got 0 and add 7. Okay, here you can multiply 47. 7s are 329 and after 47 plus 7 54 and this is your answer. Under root of 729 is equal to 27. But if you thought our answer is right or wrong, so you can check it. 27 double is 54. Okay, here you got 54 which is double of 27. So now you can check here it is right or wrong. Now continue with this example. Again 12, 3 3s are 9, remainder is 3. Now carry forward 96 to downward, double it, 3 plus 3 is 6. Now the next number 6. If you put 1, so multiply by 1. If you put 2, multiply by 2. If you put 3, multiply by 3. If you put 4, multiply by 4. But we already know the divisibility rule. Last digit is 4. Sorry, last digit is 6. So 4 4s are 16. 4 6s are 24. Plus 1 is 25. But this is not possible. We find for next number 6. Side number is also 6. 6 6 are 36. 6 6 are 36 plus 3 is 39. You got 396. So now we put here 66. 6 are 396 and you got 0. Okay. Now for checking, we multiply by 6. So adding 6. 12. Now you can see here 36 double 72. 72 and 36. Okay, you can see here this is the double number of 36. Okay, so now this is your answer. Now under root of 1296 is equal to 36. Okay, understand? Done.